Good morning, friends. Let us run the simulation for energy harvesting wireless sensor networks. We are using a software called NetSim Standard version 10.2. This is NetSim Standard. These are the types of network which we can simulate. Here it is wireless sensor network. We will simulate it. We will choose the distance of area in meters, 50 meters, x and y axis, and we will choose sensor placement strategy as via click and drop, that is manually. We will use a WSN node. We will use a sync, and then WSN agent. WSN agent is used as sensor module to be integrated with sensor node A. It senses data and passes on to sensor node A. Sensor node A passes the data to the sensor node B, which is a gateway module. Let us check its properties. Here in ZigBee, we have network layer, data link layer, physical layer, and then power. In this power, there is a feature given, that is energy harvesting on or off. When the energy harvesting is on, the battery recharging current is 0.4 milliampere. Energy harvesting in wireless sensor network is used for variable electronics and wireless sensor networks. The recharging current range is 0 to 20 milliampere. See, the wireless sensor nodes do not know which type of energy harvesting source is used. It just concentrates on the recharging current which is received from the energy harvesting source, whether it is solar, thermal, or RF. So let us accept it and run the simulation. We will run this for 10,000 seconds. So now the scenario is running. It is 1% completed, 2% completed. It takes some time for simulation. Now the simulation is completed and results are being displayed, and one NetSim packet animation window is also appearing. Let us see that. This is NetSim packet animation window. Let's run this scenario. Here you can see the parameters. I am disabling the node movement and agent movement. I am enabling the IP address and the battery level. So it is showing the battery level and the IP address of sensor node A and B. Its IP address is 10.0.0.1. Its IP address is 10.0.0.2. So it is sending the data to gateway node. Gateway node is sending the acknowledgement. You can see the ZigBee acknowledgement sent by the gateway and the sensor app. Basically, it is sensing the data and sending the packets in the packets form information to the gateway. So right now it is sending 19th packet, then it will send 20th packet. Now it will send 21st packet. For each packet received, the gateway nodes sends the ZigBee acknowledgement. Let's run little bit fast. So now simulation is running for energy harvesting wireless sensor network. So after the simulation is over, we can check the results. Now the simulation is completed and we can see the results. So after simulation is completed, we can see the results. This is the simulation result window. This is TCP metric, Q metric, network metric, and IP metrics. We are mainly interested in energy metric. Here the energy consumed is 7368 millijoule. So with energy harvesting, the total energy consumed is 7368 millijoule. Transmission energy is 48 millijoule. Receiving energy consumed is 4.14 millijoule. Idle energy consumed is 7316 millijoule. Sleep energy is 0. The another node, gateway node, energy consumption is not given because energy consumption is not of more concern because it is main supply powered. We can see the other metrics like sensor metric. It shows 10,000 packets are generated and sent to the gateway node at different distance and different times. So IEEE 802.15.4 metric, here it is showing the packet number of packet transmitted by sensor node A was 619 and all the packets were received successfully by the sensor node B, second node. Acknowledgement transmitted by the second node was 618, same as the number of packet transmitted. Clear channel attempts 1240, successful clear channel assessment was same. So this is the simulation for energy harvesting wireless sensor networks. We can see the plot also. There is one plot, throughput plot. If we have enabled it during the simulation, throughput plot is not there. No problem. So this is the simulation for solar energy harvesting wireless sensor networks. Thank you.